Hey everyone, Lewis here with the Masters Craft Flooring Company. Today I have Tim McCool, our Mapei rep, and he's going to talk about this new innovative system to refresh the wood floors in your home. And so Tim, talk to us about the ReNewIt system.
Okay, the Ultracoat ReNewIt System is a product that you can apply to an existing pre-finished floor or even a job that was site finished. The idea of the ReNewIt system is that it's a no sand system, so you're not going to be creating any dust in the consumer's home. The smell, it's all water-based product, so the smell is virtually nothing, and then it's a process that generally can be done in a day on the average size, few rooms or even maybe even a full house.
Okay.
You start out with the ReNewIt remover. The remover is going to take off old maintenance products that the customer has used in the past. Basically, it's designed to take off acrylic wax, so somebody's mopping glow or some kind of polish that they may have put down. It'll also help get up grease and stuff in the kitchen as well. So you'll use the remover product first. You apply it wet, you agitate it with a buffer, either a red, white, or a green pad to help agitate that. Once you have that area buffed out, you will clean off that area before you move to the next section. And generally you're going to do a 3 or 4 foot section down the length of the room at a time and work your way across the room. Once you've done that, got all of the area with all of it removed, you'll come back with our cleaner. The cleaner product is going to help get the residue of the remover off and be able to give us a nice fresh clean looking appearance to the floor. This is going to be applied with a microfiber mop. Generally it's going to dry within 20 minutes to 30 minutes, and then you'll be able to move right next to the ReNewIt primer, which is step 3. The primer is a 2-component product. You'll add the hardener into this, shake it vigorously, then you'll open up the lid, allow that to rest for 5 to 10 minutes before you apply it. Generally you have about an hour and a half to apply the primer. The primer is applied with a microfiber mop, so it's applied very thin. So with each one of these products, you're going to get about 1,000 square feet of coverage with each one of these. Okay. Once you've applied the primer, super thin, no heavy spots, no drips, no runs, no errors. That is going to dry in about an hour, and then you'll be ready to go to the high traffic product. We want you to then go ahead and finish off with 1 or 2 coats of high traffic. Depends on the shape of the floor. Generally, you're going to have 2 different kinds of customers. You're going to have a customer who's fixing up to sell, that you might do a 1-coat system for, so it just gives us a nice even shine and a new look to the floor. You may also have the customer who is moving into the house who wants a lot of protection, and then you would do a 2-coat system for that customer. So those are the 2 styles you'll do. The high traffic is a 2-component finish as well. You'll add the cross-linker hardener into the product, shake it vigorously, let it sit again for 5 to 10 minutes, and then this is going to be applied with like a T-bar applicator or a roller. To apply that, you're going to get 500 square feet per gallon on the finish. One of the things that you're going to do when you get into a floor that's been down a while, it's going to have some character to it, as we call it. Could be some scratches, could be some wear marks. You can use art markers, Sharpies, whatever that you can get to the right color. I have been using something from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. They're called Prismacolor markers. They're in the art department. Really great. A lot of different colors. You can touch up scratches and dents and dings any place where there's color loss. You can put color back to the floor, and then you can you'll do that after the you'll do the remover, the cleaner, and then you'll color mark up anything, and then put the primer and the finish over the color.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you all for tuning in. If you'd like to learn more about this system, there's links below that you can click on to learn more about this whole process. And also, if you have any questions and want to purchase this, you can contact your local Masters Craft branch or territory sales manager. Thanks so much for tuning in, and thanks for allowing us to be your go-to wood flooring resource.